Hey, this is Matt from YouthBuild USA. I wanted to share a little tip that I found in the eGrants system. So stop me if you've heard this one before. You sit down to exit some of your AmeriCorps members and get the dreaded 500 server error. What a drag. You know, the eGrants portal is pretty old and soon to be replaced with a shiny new system. Until then, we need to work around its limitations. So there are 3 ways to access your members' exit form. First is the menu on the left-hand side of the member's profile. This is the traditional avenue for accessing the member exit form, but sadly it just doesn't always work. The second method is selecting your member from your Pending Exits tab. Clicking on your member's name on this list will work most of the time. But we are busy people. Who has time to gamble with eGrants? So here's a third way to access your member's exit form that works almost every time. First, you'll want to find your member list. When you do, click the hyperlink name of your member. Then, instead of trying to exit them using the menu item on the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down to the Service Information section. Select the most current term by clicking the View hyperlink to the right of it. This will bring you to a detailed screen of service term information. 2 things to do here. First, you want to unlock the exit form. If this link appears, simply click on the hyperlink to do so. Then, you're going to look for the Update Type drop-down menu on the right-hand side. Here you will see the same options as the left-hand Member Information menu, but these links will get you to the exit form error-free. We hope this little tutorial helps making exiting your members a little bit easier. Again, if you ever need assistance with eGrants or anything AmeriCorps in general, please feel free to give us a ring at YouthBuild USA. We are here to help.